Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's video demonstrating how you can use pencil spaces in your day-to-day life. Pencil is equipped to support a variety of different tasks and activities, so today we are going to be putting together a floor plan. So Spaces is definitely a useful tool that can be used by interior designers. They have the capability of putting together a floor plan using the features we have in Pencil Spaces. So to put together the floor plan, I'm going to be using the line tool found at the bottom of my page, and I'm just going to be recreating the floor layout. So I can just create lines. Once I've created the lines, I can change the size, I can change the width, and I can change the color. I can put down as many lines in my space as I want. If you would like to make your life a little easier when using the line tool, you can hold the Shift key while you're laying down your line to make perfectly vertical or horizontal lines. So I've just quickly created a layout for a floor plan, and now I can start labeling the rooms. So I can go in with the text tool found at the bottom of your screen, click where I want to insert my text, and type out the purpose of the room. I can bold the text, italicize it, underline it, change the color, highlight, make any changes I want to. I can also move it around just to better fit the layout of the room. I can now go in with Pencil's line tool or shape tool just to add in some furniture and structure to my space. So I'm going to be adding in some kitchen counters. So I'm going in with Pencil's shape tool, selecting square, and I'm just going to directly draw in where I want my counters to be. Even after I put down the shape, I can resize it. I can fill in the shape with color. I can change the shape's current color. I can change the thickness of the line. The opportunities are really endless. If I would like to make more precise adjustments, I can always zoom into my space and adjust from there. Pencil Spaces is a platform that allows for collaboration. So let's say I have a roommate that I'd like to continue designing my floor plan with. I can invite them to my space. So I'm just going to click the invite button. And you can see that currently my space is private, meaning that any participants I'd like to add to my space need to be invited individually by name or email. So I'm just going to type out the name of my roommate and send them an invitation. So now they will be able to join me in my space to finish designing our floor plan. So as you can see, my roommate has made her way to our space, and she's currently using Pencil's shape tool to draw in another kitchen counter. So we can both collaborate in the space at the same time. So I will slowly add in my own adjustments, including a kitchen table. So I was able to put together the rest of my floor layout using Pencil's shape and line tools. There are other methods to do this in Spaces. You can also copy and paste items from outside sources and bring them into your space. If you would like to put together a second floor, we do have an infinite whiteboard, so you can just move your current drawings over and you can do a second floor beside it. Or another great way to do this is creating a second board and labeling it second floor. We have an infinite number of boards, so if you would like to create an infinite number of floors, you have the option to. The opportunities are really endless in Spaces. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful in demonstrating how you can use Pencil Spaces in your day-to-day life.